Hey everyone, this is Ed Kiefer again, bringing you another Luxe highlight. We had a surprise this morning. We brought one of our units out. This is a Luxe Elite 42MD. It's a mid-den, and we brought this out to the Elkhart Campgrounds on County Road 4. This is Elkhart, Indiana, County Road 4. And we're here in a spot located in the Elkhart Campgrounds. We're having a little open house. We invite you to come out. We're going to be here for a little while, probably mid-afternoon, maybe 2 o'clock. We'll head back to the shop. So hey, come out, take a visit with us, and look at this beautiful floor plan with the mid-den in it. I'm going to go inside and take a look. We've actually had someone in there already. Try not to bother them. But Jerry's in here. You can come say hi to Jerry and hang out with her, ask some questions about it. This is just a beautiful paint job. We've got the window silks on here. So let's kind of squeak in here and see what we can do. We're going to go into the bedroom here real quick. So this is the mid-den. This is what the bathroom looks like in the mid-den.
If you need it, yeah. Most of the time we don't need it. You can have 4 people if you want to play cards or if you want to, you know.
So this is the bedroom. Has a king-size bed, and that's standard. They really got this decorated nice. So we'll look around here. It's a nice closet with some drawers in here on both sides. This is just a beautiful bedroom. Got a TV in here. That's a window. We're gonna walk down in here and take you into the mid-den area. I'm gonna squeak by these people. So there's Marcos.
These 4 or 5 colors or whatever. Right.
We're gonna go into the mid-den area here.
It's still all ultra fabric. That's the brand. Right. And so if you want to look
This one has a bunk up top that you can take and rise that up. It unhooks. This is a jackknife sofa, so you can sleep 2 people in here. Here's a spot for washer and dryer.
This fabric is the best.
And you can use this for a number of things. People use it for offices, for grandkids. So hey, we're going to be taking this unit on a road show. We're going to Denver, Las Vegas, and then heading on to California. This is all going to start next week. Wednesday the 29th, we'll be in Denver for 1 day. You can get on our website and check out the locations and the times and everything. Then we're heading over to Oasis RV Resort in Las Vegas. And then we're heading on to Fontana, California at J&L RV Repair. We're going to be there for a week. So get us on the web. Check us out. You'll see a link right when you come onto the home page that'll talk about our road show. If you click that, it'll lead to a page with a lot of other details, give you times, locations, everything you need, and you can fill out the form and register a time so you can be there and talk to someone. So hey, check us out. If you're not in the Elkhart area, you can head out to Las Vegas, Denver, or California. If you're in that area, you can schedule a time, check us out, come see this beautiful 42MD luxury fifth wheel. Give us a call at 844-284-6678, or like I said, get us on the web and click on that roadshow link, and it'll take you to all the details you need to know about the road show. But if you're in the Elkhart area, come out and visit us. We're probably going to be here maybe till 2 o'clock, so get out real quick and take a visit. And if we're not here, no problem. We're right down the road. Our factory is right down the road, and you can take a tour and look at our factory, and also take a look at this 42MD, one of my favorite floor plans. Hey, come and get some of these donuts. Have a great day.